he's gonna do na parang yearbook type na
souvenir program.
25 years after, right. Tapos he's gonna take photos talaga. Kasi nung yung namin, mas malaki yung kita doon kasi it's all sa atin lahat eh.
Captured market eh.
Nung nakita ko yung animo na nila, yung gusto nila from us, grabe lahat. They want the best space sa homecoming, lahat ng activities natin, yung marketing, production, whatever nila, will be given free passes.
Ang naisip ko, we'll still go with the Animo. Pero kasi yung sa proposal ng Animo magazine is that they'll do features for us in their issues. Then they're going to ask for us a place on the homecoming night for them to sell their magazines. But the other thing, yung second aspect ng proposal nila is that for the homecoming night, there's going to be a special issue. Now, the batch will be a co-investor.
Which will be sold here.
Which will be sold here also.